Hey guys, it's me Tess, and I'm going to be showing you some of my slimes. So this one's my pineapple slime, and I did not add any scent or any lotions or any perfume or nothing. It's just like a regular slime. It seriously smells like pineapple, like a fresh pineapple. It smells so good. It smells so good. Oh yeah. Dad! You left the sink on! Oh! I'm trying to make a swirl for you guys. Dad! You left the sink on!
Sorry. Turn it off, though.
So there's my pineapple slime. Put that one to the side. And I have this one. It's in my Twix container. It says Twix on the front. That I got for Christmas. Take the slime off of it. So I might mix this for you guys, but I'm not. Because this one's a fluffy slime, but it's a really old fluffy slime. It doesn't feel great. Like, this is mixed with a whole ton of slimes. It's kind of like a fluffy pink slime that I made. It's kind of like, it used to be huge, but then I put it in a purple slime and I made the purple slime huge. This one's like pretty stretchy, pretty pokey, really stretchy. Just it doesn't feel super good like it's supposed to. It's not supposed to feel good, but I like feeling good slime, so I might add some lotion to that one later. Close this one up. So this one I really like because it's oh, look at that, guys. This is so satisfying. It's like striped. It was so satisfying. So let's do some whatever it's called. There's some whatever it's called. Poking. This one rips really fast, but it's also super stretchy. So let's see, it rips really fast. I don't know why this one rips really fast. But this is still good slime. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. TessaAvery.com/MaddieB. Hello. So, today is the Super Bowl. That's why you hear so much noise. It's because they're celebrating the Super Bowl. If you're celebrating the Super Bowl, comment down below what you're doing for the Super Bowl. We're having some friends and family members come over. slime's super crunchy. Like this slime, well, if I added more lotion to this one, it would turn more soft. But like, I love it the way it is because it's like super good. Super squishy. Did you really think I was gonna eat it? Thumbnail. Okay, now I'm gonna do one more thumbnail. Thumbnail. And thumbnail. Take that, comment down below, subscribe. What did you think about those thumbnails? So yeah. Thumbnails, if you're asking, what are thumbnails? Thumbnails are like where you like take a picture for like your cool slime. And plus, I just made a video of making this slime. So I just barely made this slime, so go check it out. My hands aren't like dirty because I took a shower after I took down this way. My hair's off. I haven't done my hair yet. I'm putting on makeup. I know. What are you doing, girl? Putting on makeup when you're 7 years old? I just do it. Somebody's here for the Super Bowl. Dad! He's not answering me. So, it smells so good. I'm sorry if I keep saying it, but it literally smells like a fresh pineapple. So here, I'm gonna poke it for you. This one's like more warmer. Like a part of my slime, it's like warmer. This one little piece was in my slime. It was so warm, and like this here is like softer and colder. This one's like warm and stretchier. Oh! Thumbnail! It's sticking to my hands because I have a little on my hand. See that right there? Oh yeah, that's red food coloring on me because I dyed it red first. Well, then I'm like, I don't want red.
Girl,
What?
will you pick up these flops, please?
What flops?
Flops in here.
My.
Flip flops.
Okay, 1 second, guys.
And those ones too.
I'm vlogging. Where are the guests? I'm gonna be here.
And just a little bit. A couple hours.
Couple hours. You keep saying that. Don't mix. I'm back. So like this line, I'm not gonna show the pink one too much in this. I'm gonna go grab another slime and I'll be right back. Peace out. So this is my pineapple slime. The other one is strawberry slime. And then I'm gonna what am I saying, guys? I'm gonna show you my strawberry shortcake slime. So yeah, let me get I need to throw away this bag and then put this in another bag. Cause look, when I zip it, it's still open. lock that right in there. That away. So this is 2 strawberry shortcake slimes mixed with strawberry shortcake slimes. This one has a lot of glitter. This one's super soft. This one's one of my favorite ones because this is an old slime. This is mixed with an old strawberry shortcake slime with a brand new strawberry shortcake slime that I just mixed yesterday. This one's a little bit sticky. It's not sticky, it's just sticky. I have no clue why. And I'm glad these slimes are sticking to me because this one's super good. So this one's kind of like a butter slime. I have some clay, or actually Play-Doh, that I'm going to be adding to a green slime for that green Play-Doh. So, and Play-Doh makes, this is a new hack. Green Play-Doh is better than clay for butter slime because like clay kind of makes like butter slime a little hard. But you know, if you add lotion, if you add Play-Doh, it will make your slime nice and like butter slime, and it makes it better. And I made up a new slime. It is called paper slime. So when you make slime and you put paper in it. And I'm going to do that with the green slime. I have a slime downstairs that's made with paper that has gold glitter and it's really pretty pink. It feels like it's kind of like you can put it in a stress ball and you can like little crunches. It's very crunchy.
Quit it! Sorry, what?
You scared me. It's very crunchy. My dad just scared me.
Sorry, bud. What? Sorry, what?
Just like this right here. That's crunchy. This is crunchy. Like, here. I'll give you a close-up. Look at all of those sparkles. There's all different kinds of sparkles. I might add a little, I'm going to add a little bit of this yellow slime to this one. Let's see the yellow slime. This is the yellow slime inside of the pink slime. I think it might turn like a little peach in the color. Yeah, it's turn a peach. I really like the color of the slime, but I like the feeling of it and the stretch and how stretchy it is. So I'm gonna keep adding this yellow slime and I'll be back. Peace out. Bye.